2017 we successfully built and hand over the first common beam picking application for the direct part depalletizing from metal baskets together. Photoneo belongs to a very unique and successful Slovak startup. The company brings a new perspective on the robotics to the market. Their technology, attitude and support are outstanding. They provide simplifying and streamlining of material entry into the robotic workplace. That brings new possibilities to application where robotics hasn't been in process very often up to now. Our aim is to deploy Photoneo's beam picking technology to every application where there's a need to eliminate manual parts loading and then will increase the efficiency of robotics workplace.
Working closely with robot producers always brings to the table a strong partnership where we can push the boundaries of the robotized world further. It opens up new possibilities and applications to be solved utilizing our technology. Our cooperation is on a local and also global scale, where ABB can offer solutions for various integrators and end customers. We value that they are including innovative technologies in their standard portfolio and together with us, moving the quality and the effectiveness of their projects further. ABB helped us to get our technologies closer to the customers and deploy it on many projects. ABB was amongst the first companies with whom we started close cooperation. We learned a lot together and managed to fine-tune our technologies according to the demands of the market. We want to continue delivering top-notch industrial automation solutions to local and global market. We believe that together with strong partners like ABB, we will continue securing eyes and intelligence for their robots worldwide.